Okay guys, it's the Frugalnista. I haven't taken you down here in forever. This is my basement. Last time we were down here for Mirabella for her 8th birthday. It has been the catch-all for all Christmas by the Frugalnista. I'm getting ready to clean this area out because guess what? I'm hosting a baby shower down here. The theme is mermaid. It's dark in here, and I wish I could show y'all, better pictures or better lighting. But yeah. So I'm getting ready to transform this into a mermaid theme. The last party we had down here was a rainbow loom theme. And what I decided to do really quick was put down artificial turf on the cement walls. When we had Mirabella's Tinkerbell party, we made it look like what word am I looking for? What's the word where Tinkerbell is? But anyway, I'll put it in the description. So all of the walls on this side of the basement have been covered with that artificial turf that gave us the look that I wanted to feel like we were in it's not a groffle. What's the word? I'll put it somewhere. And on this wall, which is not a wall, I decided this actually leads to the other side of the basement. I decided to close that in so the party guests could not go on the other side, which is for storage. So I'm getting ready to get up all of my remnants. I have been doing so much purging, guys. I am so proud of myself. To get ready or to make ready for the actual shower that's going to be down here. It's going to be fun. And hopefully I'll show y'all the after. Because right now it's kind of looking pitiful. But it'll be okay. This tree stays up year round. This tree has been up for the past... Mirabella was 8, the last party we had down here. So this tree has been up for 5 years. Thank goodness the theme matches all of these colors because it's a mermaid theme. The purples, the teals, and all of the sparkly pinks will be used. And this is an actual, the bulbs on this tree are colorful. So yeah, that's going to match fine. We'll remove all of the letters and anything denoting anything except a mermaid. We'll remove all that and make that look pretty in this corner if I can use it. Because guys, we are going to be Jimmy Jam packed. Yeah. So, Vlogmas day 3. I'm on day 3. So, I'm working in the basement. Now, because I don't want my vacuum to get up any big pieces, I'm going to carpet sweep it just to get up. Because I have things like twigs and things like that have come off of my reeves. And I don't want to, destroy the vacuum, even though it is, the basement's vacuum. Yeah, but the goal is to get this part clear and work my way all the way around. A DIY, I spray painted these chairs for Mirabella's princess party, her 2-year-old party. These were our original chairs when we first got married. Yeah, picked these up, chairs from JCPenney's. And I spray painted them pink. Yeah. Ain't nothing new, y'all. Ain't nothing new. So when y'all doing DIYs, trust me, I did this DIY on this chair 21 years ago. No, let's see. 13 years ago. No, for Magnolia. I did these for Magnolia's party. So yeah, even longer than that. Ain't nothing new on YouTube, y'all. So don't y'all be getting all butt hurt when y'all see somebody do a DIY. And be like, oh, she didn't give me credit. I did it first. Ain't nothing new under the sun. Especially when you got a glue gun and a can of spray paint. Ain't nothing new under the sun. Alrighty. This was for, I forget what birthday. But yeah, another little DIY. today is Monday, and I have decided to, if I have everything cleared out on this side today, I will still be on point for the shower, which is not until Sunday. Y'all, this is just filled with all kinds of party favors. Yeah, that was for her princess party. I bought the little boys, because it was a mixed party. I bought the little boys some little swords. They were knights. And she was a princess. Okay, so I'm going to leave the tree up, I think. This is actually a little space heater because it's not heated down here, but because when you get people down here, you know people generate heat. So what I usually do is turn this on a couple of hours before the party to make it toasty warm down here. And because, you know, basements are cooler, it's just the right temperature, even in the wintertime, to, you know, not be freezing down here. Because I will actually have food with chafing dishes, and that will generate heat also. So my goal is now, again, is to, I just want to make sure all of the little sticks are up before I vacuum. And then after today, I'll still be on track. Hopefully, my goal is to have this area done by Thursday, because I'm waiting on my tablecloths and chair covers to come. I had black chair covers, but I wanted to do white chair covers to throw off some of this darkness. And I ordered those from, well, I won't even shout out the company, because guess what? I'm not being sponsored by them. Yeah, what is this? Oh, that's a little sequence. Yeah. Okay, so I don't see any more twigs. So up next, after I vacuum in here, I'll leave that to later because that's going to take that long. Yeah, but it is a cute display. I know the camera's not giving this room justice, but it is the length of my house. And somebody asked me, where do you store all your Christmas Frugalnista? I store it down here. Okay, so most of the twigs are up. I'm getting ready to sweep that up, vacuum this area, dust off my little entertainment system because we will have music down here. I'll probably take Marabella's name down. I'll take Marabella's name down closer to party date because, you know, I just think it's cute up there. And then I'll work on my ceiling. Okay? So I just want this room cleared out so tomorrow I will work on the ceiling. Or maybe even tonight. Because I still have to put together Christmas. I put a little bit of something out on the porch. And I showed you guys some footage earlier of me taking some stuff off to be, you know, sent on its merry way. So it's been a busy, productive day for the Frugalnista. Whew. And so now when I vacuum, you know, those little fragments won't tear up my vacuum cleaner. Okay guys, not bad. I only had a couple of little metal pieces, a little star, and a couple of more things, but I see a few more sparkles down here, so I'm going to do one more time vacuuming and bring myself all the way over here and then move you guys. Okay guys, this is this space, nice and clear. I'll be having 30 of these chairs that I have. And because it is an adult shower, when I have everybody down here for kids parties, guys, I use things like my outdoor chairs, you know, throw a pretty pillow on it. I think this was a safari birthday party. That's a throwback from a safari party in purple. But as you can see, the floor, I'll show you, I use remnants, you know, just pieces of remnants, carpet. This pretty pink, and guess what guys, it's really expensive. This is the carpet that I have on my stairs, a piece of carpet that's left. This carpet, seriously, no joke guys, very, very expensive. But anyway, it's just a remnant down here. I leave this open because I need to run my electricity, because as you know, in the basement, you don't have that many options. And this is what I just finished over here. So all of that's done. I know you can't see down here. I apologize for the lighting. What I'm going to do is go pick up some daytime bulbs, because when I'm having kids parties, we can get away with the dark lighting, especially when you're having a theme like Tinkerbell or, you know, Under the Sea. Because this is a mermaid party, we could probably get away with the darkness, but what I'm going to do is try to bring in more lighting in here. So, yeah, I'll let you see all of that. Again, there are my chairs that I DIY'd. Pink, I think it was for one of Magnolia's parties. Over here, so these gold twigs from my yard will serve as wreaths, you know, like under the sea wreaths. So, yeah, I use that for a, I don't know, some kind of party for the girls. Yeah, but just spray painted it gold. Went in the backyard, grabbed some leaves, and believe it or not, y'all, I've seen something similar to this in Z Gallery's catalog. Gold, beautiful, like a sculptured twig. I've seen a few people DIY, you know, stuff like that. Again, nothing is new. I did that probably, I don't know, 10, 12 years ago. But yeah, so we are all cleared out. I will probably be showing you the progress as we go. Yeah, for as many parties as I've had down here, the floor looks great, especially on this side. This is where you enter in. Yeah, and yeah, this carpet over here looks excellent. So what I'll do is set the tables up. My thinking is, I won't even tell you my thinking. I know I can fit 30 people comfortably down here. Yeah, and then I have to take down Mirabella's name and the lights and all of the little flowers. I'll take all that down later on. All right, guys. That is the end of Vlogmas, I think, day 3. I have a couple of sales I need to get off to the post office, because I think the post office will be closed for a National Day of Mourning. Yeah, I can leave that down here. Yeah, so I look a hot mess. I'll keep the camera on you.
They can still see.
Oh, sorry. No, I look a mess.
Say hi.
No, I've been cleaning up all day, y'all. No edges laid, nothing. Whatever. The Frugalnista is in party mode.
I have a half day today, so.
That's why you see her.
Yep.
A lot of people said they kind of enjoyed our vlog yesterday.
Wait, did you?
I know. We were kind of worried about it. It'll be fun. I'm gonna try it.
Ah!
Yeah, it's so sunny out, y'all.
Ah.
But I'm going to end this because, you know.
Oh, I told.
Oh, that's what that is. Look, we got a disco ball going in here.
Oh yeah.
Your shirt. But it is so nice out, y'all. Look, I don't have sleeves. Now, if the weather was like this over the weekend, it would be perfect. I could actually have the party in the backyard. Seriously, it is so nice out here.
Get out of the street. Well, there was in the street, but it's out of the way.
Kids running around and playing. Oh, I need them to cut my bushes down. I wonder how much would they charge. I don't know. Maybe when I come back.
They're building a sidewalk.
Okay, if they still are here when I get back, I'm gonna stop and ask them, can they cut our bushes or trim it? Because your dad's not gonna have time.
What if somebody walks on the wet sidewalk?
Well, we used to put our write stuff in it and names.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
I actually thought about that when they were doing that sidewalk.
Writing your name in it?
Well, just
I
when we were
wouldn't do
kids, when
that.
people would do it, like, you know, like it was not, they would actually, that was a thing, like, you know, writing in wet cement. Somebody, you would write Mirabella loves somebody, or.
Oh, I'll write my name and then the year.
Yeah.
No, because I saw some guy on YouTube. He got like over 1 billion views just putting his handprint and then writing something and then the year.
Oh, okay.
Or writing something in a different language.
Yeah, but I'm going to end this, guys. I have a sale, which is great. Business is still booming, which is great. But as I understand it, I think the post office might be closed Wednesday for the National Day of Mourning. President Bush, Daddy Bush, left up out of here. A very, you know, good reason for the post office to be closed. But as I understand, I got to make arrangements. I'm actually waiting on a package, which may throw it off. I'm waiting on my tablecloths. I'm waiting on my chair covers. And they're supposed to be here Thursday. And I'm hoping, you know, well, anyway, I'll actually look at the tracking of that. Yeah, but I'm in party mode, y'all. This is what I do when I'm in party mode. I go just full floors.
And after
crazy.
that you have my birthday.
And after that, we have Mirabella's birthday. The only good thing about Mirabella's birthday is that it will be off site, meaning it'll be at a venue. I don't have to, we just show up, which is great.
Yep, and have fun.
Show up and have fun. And then after that, it will be Christmas. And then after that, it will be my anniversary.
No.
Why?
It will be your anniversary, then my birthday.
Oh, yeah.
Then Christmas.
Anniversary, birthday, Christmas.
Oh, plus your anniversary's on my concert.
Is the winter concert's coming up, really?
It's on the 18th.
Oh, I forgot about that. I'm glad you reminded me. Okay, y'all. I'm ending it. Peace.
Bye. Ah, my seatbelt's, I can't reach because my seatbelt.
Okay, we'll just leave it on.
Okay,
well,
wait.
Yeah, okay.
Bye.